abanyabuzare n'abanyamukago.
Oriative na kwachiro makuru Agacencwire amazina Mbabazi Charity kandi rizoba n'ikibanza cyo kwa mshanju 2026 kandi shahane ibiri ezo mwebazyo ninja kwisi y'ibija mutogwa makuru kundagaruce ninja kwisi aho amakuru Agacencwire ombwijwire
emitwe y'amakuru ne kwishibwaho vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Agacencwire kireki ente 295 mu kasese zisurwe cyanda.
Ente zitu zitafunka hati.
Abinazi batahirire kabatematema abantu bana omurucegegwa.
Bwiza buri mwaka burita y'umuntu.
Habarukireho butikiza no mbarisa b'amatungo umuryantonde na Sembabure abibyo kwerinda batebwa hansharo.
Abantu bagire freedom of trade.
Emitwe y'amakuru yabane kwishibwaho.
Refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Mbabazi Charity yashahane ibirizo mwebazyo kandaga n'amakuru Agacencwire mbwijire abarizo mgombere ya Nyakatonzo mu district ya Kasese ndobacira bwa nyuma yo kuferwa ente zabo abo kuburo bunyasi na mizigo kunywa ahabwe cyane stile district age abantu bashaba government kwe biciriza bakarisi zo mwirindiro ry'Nyamisho heri ya Queen Elizabeth okwisya obwenjura iragwe.
Okurugera hari Kenneth Muyambi uruciyamanu w'abarisa barkwegitira mu kibina cyabo ecyamuhumuza Nyakatonzo Cattle Keepers Cooperative Society okwiho kwezi kwa 5 mwaka ogu baferirwe nte 295 abo kubura mizi no bunyasi bwa nyuma y'ecyando kutera
omusano gulesere bizu by'amano mu Nyakatonzo ente zifire nezindi zikira hansi kandi kumanya kujya kuhwera ente hafire almost zkwingana ezikukira 295 ezera hansi saa zinu omaka kubojja kwetororo mu Nyakatonzo egiyona habo kuba twine nka amaka gakwingana nka amaka 10 amaka 10 agale mu Nyakatonzo bulumuka okayo omuntu saa zinu kubojja mukayo omuntu no sangamu ente nka 20 ezera hanse zitakafire
abarisa abantu bashaba government yo kubikiriza bakabano barisizo mu irindiro ry'Nyamisho rya Queen Elizabeth National Park okisiyo bwenjurira garuce kugwa
abo kubo bwira bwenyuma ekintu kino bucyali kibaho abalisa bali bakoragana na paka balisa habo bwira buke kokwezi kumwe bunda amezi 2 then omusano kwamu abalisa babagayo izo tusaba government no bara yakinjire paka halina ntukimanya paka netaza government baitu naito tutwire ntukoragana na paka mu businge tusaba etukingureho habo kwezi kumwe bunda 2 okwezi kwa musanzu no kwa munana
ente zitu zitafunka hati nkachenda n'ebiri zikafa muno baitu twamazire kuruga musana ente zaitu omusana bugwari gwijaga tulisa mpaka akoma kataro niche cyaraka nimba cyo rufumo onuyembaka no muntu byo kurya nabinaga harubungu neyo nofu amakuru gacho liga mutuyigureho tuli sente zaitu zikiri
mbere ubwira bwenzora mbe ninge muraga bidomoro bitanu mukaga baitu bwesaha zunu ubundani ninge muri amate mengi ninge muri kidomoro weki kandi gina abakozi 20 abambere ninkozesa 20 na hati nkibe hati abakozi aba nabo bandemeri kubasasura na fizi niba abana banje babe bajya kugenda bagenda fizi yona nje maziri bait hati ndemero no kusasura fizi ndemeri
hamna twera urukansari yogombora Nyakatonzi nagira no government yabaherize za damu tarumiza hawe cyanda.
If we have the 3 valley dams now, I think it would only take us for about 3 months. 3 months to 4 months. If all the 3 valley dams are full, this can take us within the dry spells. If we can pump water within, let me say in Feb, it would take us up to June.
Kandi gargash tanabona no tukutaharimi nabona gukaba turkonka tusirira nubwana nusirira buri kugwa na ishomero tubine cyukunye okucunda kandi kore gaburo mu kirere gwabona gukomana turkonka rahanga wanje atiyambe uhayigurugu nenya ba government mutira kuburyo bundi mwakugira icyo mwatiyamba.
Julius Rukara awe byamasharura ha district ya Kasese nagira ngo umushano gugatandika hakutandika ko kwezi kwa gatano na hatugubayo gujwa kandi abarisa no bacigumiza mu kuferwa amatungo gabo.
The dry spell actually started before the end of May, and this has affected crop production and actually animal production. Our farmers who are in the livestock production face it once in a way that they depend on pasture, and pasture grows where there is water. So our farmers in Nyakatonze, in Hima, in these areas that have grazing areas have a challenge of pasture because there is no pasture as a result of the dry spell. And when this dry spell comes in, the water sources also dry up. Therefore, the points where animals are watered dry up.
Abarisa n'abagira government yabe tabayambire kabaho kurisiza ente zabo zo nazorekerire kwaho gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.
Webere Gilbert Muhanguzi abatura omuchare cha Buringo B omugombore yakaweza om district ya Chegegwa bimukira omucekango gwanyuma yabina zikutahire kayo mutura mutahi wabo bakatemagura abantu bana kandi babiri bari mu mberambe.
Abatemerwe barumu begaraho Ronald w'emyaka 39 isheka omukazi we Elizabeth Kansime w'emyaka 36 n'abana babo babiri abarumu kaba Jules Immaculate w'emyaka 17 na Juliet Mbabazi w'emyaka 8. Juliet Mbabazi ubatere mpango y'omutwe najangwa binazi babatahirisha hanki 10 ezakasheshe.
Ono mwana muto mwagenze ryo kuri mukati ya mutende Meza kurana ngana ate ati nyo kumpenda ate omukeni nja kwiruka na tegani atoka tegere ndo ngeze kubo na ngenda isigira
batematemire umusigazi wa Karona na mukachuwe babatematemu n'abana abakamwe katukajirwa babiri nawe konka kinshasize muna batemabu nambere batumwe kujya kura makuru gumbire bagamwe batemere shayi 10 kwene mujya
abatemere banuna imbere bari ku muno abo ko mukati wa mutemere panka bingi muno umwana wa mutemere kipanka nyine ka mutemere umutu tumanyire ikirayongeraho rero tsamukama okuba batamarwaro akongeraho mukaba kwatireho.
Abatemerwe babanza kutwarwa hirwaro rya Chegegwa General Hospital konka abwembera mbi eyibaba barumu na mnongi sheka no mukazi baboherezo mu hirwaro erya Mubende.
Ngabarwire abafuno mutabwama na nyuma yo kutahirirwa abantu abatakamanyirwe bakabatematema bakabasiga mu mberambe baba leta y'irware rero yakijegwa General Hospital urugo mugombore yakijegwa sub county kandi twekibwaro twakoze emergency yitu kuba treating aho itweta first treatment narisho first aid treatment
abacurano bajangwa bwina zinubwe yongera bwira bwashesha kandi babwegekerera polisi yacegegwa ahabo burwenguzi
meka polisi umuntu ko kwasire mamutayisura abo buri bwenguzi kongo na kuba innocent ibo munako tukuparaki tukuyambe bona bayambo mugayigaru innocent yatavute polisi netere kabatemu ko umuntu bakamkwata bakamuseruruza icukumara unatakugayo
ukushesha turashasha ipanga byabiri ipanga kabwiza buri mwaka barita y'umuntu baza kushanga umuntu bamwisira fuyi
ikintu kitumaje bwiza betusaba government ikegegwa district hamwe na polisi batuyamba kuseruza uko buto bukozereke twumara bwira burahingo tafune butandwa nko
bityo tukabantu biburiza handi umanya no tukumuje tinto handi n'icyo tukibu wabo ibiga twanze ubura Uganda boko sediyo kuko hati byajya byakatya
polisi yanga kugera cyagamba hanshongeji no bukirabe kiringu yatwarayo polisi n'ukirizi kandi taroho wakwatsirwe gasha kwa Philip Murangira
webere Philip Murangira polisi yayetorora insharo ya Sembable na Lyantonde okunyoze byo kwerinda bwa districts zibiri ahabwo eziri kurwanira obutare obw'amatungo obutikiriza n'obu buri hagati ya Kabingo ahamwatano ogwa districts zibiri
Jeraha bebembezi enyombo na n'ubutikirizana nibyijaho bwanyuma y'abarisana n'abashubuzo kuhangaho kandi akatare k'amatungo hari Kabingo omuri Sembabure kandi ubwe haruho na nakace mambo muri Lyantonde
akana katara katwireho kandi twarisaba mu Sembabure mureke kureta kavuyo Lyantonde tunabusinye kandi tunabusinye twizira ko anana imwe kureka tunabusinye twarisaba tune bine kwenda muri district kwenda n'ikima murekera abantu bugabe bwakuremo kureta harwenda ninge cyarwenda bembuze bende betana
katale kabwe kwa district yo kugana ku district naye ekibenyo batadewo akatale kunaku benyini nakwe ate cyukyerwa basite binate okuzibira abasubuzi okutambuza ente
akatara kasyaka Kabingo nabagira ngo kahikine na nakace mamba hazobwo bwona n'ubukorizo barumwe ekiresire hobuzubu na nakavuyo kahangwa na munongo mbye mishuboro
on the district we are going to engage. By the way, I have akatare gazetted. You are making a market which is not gazetted. You are collecting funds which are not going in the coffers of the government. You understand? And we are taking you out.
ahamwatano gwa Kabingo haruhe nguti no kurugo mu districts ibiri kandi abibyo kwirinda hatano ho batire nkambo kurinda ubusinje
kurugo mu office ya RDC twareba imbera eyaberuho aha nsharo ya Sembabure na Lyantonde kandi twakora deployment district zone ibiri aha no police nsharo ya Sembabure na police nsharo ya Lyantonde obwe kigenderwa kiriye cyo kurinda na no kuma obusinje kandi tukarinda na n'amatungo y'abantu
wakati kabiri ko kakorako ingaho turi yakize cyo kuremesa abantu kureta ento mukatare nga kutwara amatungo gawe yose mekwana bagatwara nga kuguza so ito turi acyo kugira ngo abantu bagire freedom of trade
Omakura gandi abahinjo kurugo mu district ya Isinziro batunjire bikoroso byo kubahwera okora empinga yo murembe ya Smart Agriculture Assistant RDC wa Isinziro no wakwasize bikwatebiye za groupe ziruhika 20 z'abahinzi
ebigendwa bya project ebi omugufu hariho okuwonzerwa abisharurwa that's productivity increase productivity then ekindi arahaba kuhinga ninga bakurisa ushanga kuzo mukatari ninge mihande kubatwara umutari umwe efire so twinemu component yo kore mihanda yo kurugomba hingi ningo mbarisa kuzo mutari then ekindi hari bigwererezi crises ninge emergencies edi project neza kuba neyambaho cyane kikwasireho nkayonka project neza kuba neyamba abahingi ninga barisa
konka government yitu nyamurungi yatwateraho kandi yatwa ibyo kuza kwingisa yatwa ibyo kuza kukozesa umukwinga yatwa imbazi yo kufuhirira mwe ni manyanguza kusharura cyangwa umunonga umushonga yitu yo mwana
aba batunjire bukoreso umukuhingana no kuri senjoci bitabebembeze babarabwira ubutabuguza
mbona kanyisige mu nebi bintu turabishange kahe turabishanga mu katari ubu barakwate nibaza ko segundi mugira ki gundi mukora
kawo kiyagamba hati bwana Livio Dr. Kasozi namushaba nahasa kumpa copies za distribution y'ebintu ebi nka office ya RDC so ekitkubantu byendera no kureba ngo twabishanga mu katari for monitoring and supervision purposes imwe mutakajya mu mwabitwara cyankomaho
bawuriyo bahinji bo mwanyi bakora group yo mwani babari abarisa bente bakora group yo kuri sente babari abibe nyanja nabo bakora groups zabo alten bakwate sente nibazire sente nki 20% ya total budget y'ibintu barkwenda izi sente bazitom banka then government ibateraho 80%.
District ya Isinjiro neteganisubwe cyanda bitabarkwebembera project ezi nibagira ngo nikiza kuhera abahinji okutunga ubutari n'intasya ubwe barukoze so kwiterera ibihingwa no bwako buryo mbwire bwo mushana amakuru agagasha kwawo Sande William na Anita Atukunda
mwebare bashatsi bitu bamakurenga Gina kurwo mahanga gaherire Uganda garmu Democratic Republic of Congo na Rwanda zisirwe kansa mu mwaka gumwe enshogenjera shiriza busuru kwataho omukurinde byo hangwa no kutungura ebyo burambuzi
okufa kwengagezi zirkwito ndwara ya kansa kumanyirwe obw'abanyamyogo mu kurinde nyamisha omwirindiro rya bwinde mu gahinga conservation area babe baryo mu rukiko rwabo rwa buri mwaka White House no muri Kabare municipality.
Over the past year we have registered 4 cases of melanoma. Melanoma is a skin cancer in animals, and we have registered 4 cases of gorillas having melanoma. Unfortunately, none of them survived because the cases were very, very severe and usually affect the mouth part. It is always very swollen, very big, and the gorilla actually dies because it cannot feed.
Abahangu nibajyango ndwara giteka kire mu Uganda kandi bariyo nibataho emiringo yo kugerinda obutatahira marindiro ga Uganda.
So far 2 cases in DRC, in Democratic Republic of Congo, and we have also had 2 cases in Rwanda. We have not yet had a case in Uganda, but you know, you never know any time we can have it, but we are hopeful that it will not happen.
Kurigira abahangu endwara gitera kutura konke ngageze iri kwata neziteganisibwa munonga ziremwa no kurya.
Melanoma is not contagious, but it is a kind of skin cancer which is caused by ultraviolet rays, the sun rays that will shine on your skin, and then you get that cancer. So it is not contagious, but we get them through the ultraviolet radiation. So if a gorilla from Rwanda crosses to Uganda, it won't, the gorillas in Uganda won't get it because it is not contagious.
Ne shasha magaragazo kandi nkoko batugambera zimwe zitankire kufa konka ntumanya ngo ingagi tizikabire nyingi munonga so buringa gere kufa ne twataho ne garuze nyima ebyo burambuzi no manya ngo ingagi zo zikuturetera akasente kingi omukicweko omuhango muno omukicweko mu abajungu abinja barukwija kuniya barambuzi nibija barukwenda kureba ingagi
abahona barikiro kwatwaho abwendwara ya Ebola kandi bashaba nkwagire cyakorwa okurinda abantu n'enyamisha.
Project ya One Health, strengthening One Health preparedness, prevention and response in the Greater Virunga landscape. Etuyambire munongo mbwiro bwa Ebola kugira ngo tujanjaze amakuru agakwasire akwerinda no kwetebekanisa na nawo okutwakubasa kwekwata omburwiro oburkurga muntu bukaza handijo. So eji project etuyambire tubasize kwegesa teams zitu zegesize aba district 1 health teams zayigesa aba VHTs village health teams bagenda bajanjaza amakuru omubyarokwe na munonge byarebeheriye na Kongo ayitwa rukorwa
konka amateka gari agu government etireho go kurinda abantu Ebola nigo gamwa guturkwenda ngo tugendereho na guturkozesa no kumanyisa abantu ngo bundi wayita chimpanze ukajikwataho nubasa kushangana yine Ebola niwe negireta niwe nekwata abandi rigenda batanishire kureza chimpanze wo kwiga wagita wagirya nubasa kuza kugirya ushange yine Ebola niwe kwate kandi rugemeta mu beka yawe nabandi bantu
omunsi yona engagi n'ingashi mountain gorilla ziri kwikara 13 zo zisigireho kandi nyinjo muryezi nshangwa mpaka ya Bwin Impenetrable National Park mu district ya Kanungo mu Uganda amakuru agasha kwa Nelson ahimsiwe
ntuje kumuraho ntugaruka nagarukurata
engagi nazisirwe kansombwire bo mwaka gumwe omuri Democratic Republic of Congo na Rwanda
kugira ngo abantu bamanye ukuba kubasa kwerinda uburwiro
zi ahabyo bwegese nibikushikibwaho
Kitagata Farm Institute
tureba netawuni abarimba ko rumutawuni omwe yambara ibintu byongera kuguma twakabumanyire abo already abakiro mu cyaro ahagwembereza biro mu tawuni kunko ryoko shobiro tukugambara ngo takashoberwa uje mukamana tukunda sako tutebekanisize
mwana baduma baryokwe iwano yotindi nyenga tikirungi yegita nabatahi bawe amukora mu musikane bitekateko mukore ibintu by'amani umutowaza akora ibintu by'amani oruwenka ibintu by'amani bikorwa abantu bingi begisire nuko kuburi no bikorotindi ni nkore ibintu by'amani rinyenka kongata imuneza ihika amagezi gawoga kuma
obuhabuzi ahabyo bwegese bw'abantu bukukibwaho
Kitagata Farm Institute
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MDCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Ebyokwomeka byonjera koroba kankwanjurire ankole Crazy Limited abara kubumbira byokwomekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ebindi bingi kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalole tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo rero bakwinira amatafari ga buli muringo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otebwe partitioning blocks obumori buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii Malta double Pompeii mwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole Crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugeine barakoza technology rispiria echo nabyombecyesi cyangale nka bendera ya Uganda bashangari mayiro 8 mbarara kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga ankole Crazy Limited tugende twombeke
manager ogito wagito konka abantu mu kidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe na wiring byoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu
twareka turwo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tukizana ngo okushara keke ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara keke tukazakunyumbo
na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo nikushekere nikuteganisa wenda ningende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
Tumu Medical Institute irashangwa muri Rugongo Karongo Buhweju District barakira beja bojona beshiki okwija kushoma certificate y'obunasi nursing certificate y'obuzalisa midwifery diploma y'obunasi extension diploma y'obuzalisa extension itenda cyo handiswe mu bwijire omu ministry y'obwegesi nemizano kandi na center number okuruga mu Unimap itenda cyo ginentani sabwo buherezo skills lab ejire byo kushomeraho abashomeza batenda kigweji library jire bitabo internet na wifi ya bushabwa beje na staff igwariro ryo kuragurira beje bagwara intambura ya bushabwa beje babarahumura na babarahumuruka ebyo kurya biri fresh kuruga mu famu zitendekero abeje bona baratunga buraro bwa busha umwanya ni muhango kandi gwehererire abwo abeje kushoma kurunje abeje barashoma certificate barashashura sirinje miliyoni 1.50 aba diploma sirinje miliyoni 1.40 okumenya birakiraho tera not mushanju 5 mushanju ni 5 mushanju ni 3 10 excellent innovation and diversity in health.
Skylight Hotel eresora uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahi barukwereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette rolex shumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi ecenyanja muchemo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho
hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha beinunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera no tumushanju mwenda 18 58 38 ninga no tumushanju no tumukaga 36
Feathers sanitary pads
hamwe na ABC Feathers sanitary pads tokujara bukumi bwoka konkani zije hamwe no businje bwinji n'amantu go kunyunyuta hamwe nebishenje bine byo bukumi kandi n'amapapagazo ni maringwa agari kuretera okwekunda no businje izoba ryona nechiro
quality pads affordable price
pads zezi zikasimwa na awards bulenje bwizoba ya Afrika. Feathers pads niziretwa umusize nyinji ahari mu empango neza burijo kandi nizija na pantliners zabusha okuyamba umumbera zawe nkomukazi. ABC Feathers sanitary pads okoloba amani obusinje Feathers sanitary pads obukumi bwo mutano umbwire bwo mutano
onashikamba neza kutwara abantu aheru zirinka hikanara kachayina we
yaba tundatine
agandi mu oriyo protoko gumire nishabo nyambe nyene cene maweki nyenda kukitwara aheru banje ngo hari abantu
arekeraho abo kutwara abantu ahera bese gwamba beta bahezi recruitment expert re bararia Amazon building mwijemba batware
tutware
bito nyiri
ontware ahori kwenda
itwe aba Haze recruitment expert nutuzaguza myaka 10 ombohereza ubwo kutwara abantu aheru erabambara nsangwa Amazon building not mushanjina not emwe not office zitwe za Kampala nsangwa rubo wa opposite na Quality supermarket esomu not mushanju ine mirundena itane mirundena ninga not mushanjina noti emwe 235 mukaga Haze recruitment expert go Haze
go better
kashati wa
nkazoro mfarati murunji kando gworobi roseful nikangara konko byamashemera nogwa mutindo roseful isi yo
okuraraje nukureto kuhangara no kutekatekaje omugongo takubiyamaje no imukora ukushasha hindure mbyamire yawe no farati gwa rose form rwo farati gwa family buri muringo gwona ogo farati guruho
nahati nyenchakare nebire byombisho rose form esi yokushemera kwanje
rose form esi yebiroto birungi.
Give your child the opportunity to build a brighter future by enrolling at Ankole Western University, a Christian-founded institution located in Shema District on Kabohe Hill. Ankole Western University provides a conducive learning environment with modern facilities and highly qualified professional lecturers dedicated to equipping students with the knowledge, skills, and values needed to succeed in today's competitive world. Programs offered: degree and diploma programs in agriculture, information technology, accountancy, business administration, public administration, education, and theology. Postgraduate diploma programs are also available. August intake 2026 registration is in progress. Ankole Western University offers a 50% scholarship to eligible students. Tuition fees after scholarship: degree programs, Ugandan shillings 650,000 only. Diploma programs, Ugandan shillings 450,000 only. Apply today. Download application forms from www.au.ac.ug. Ankole Western University, light of the world.
Korukayo mukahumura muganda makuru abatura omuri Kakukuru Ruwenanura Town Council mu district ya Ntungamo bina kamwenyo wanyuma yo kutunga amezi marunji amiza gagamaziro miliyoni 5 kandi gahirwa ba Nile Basin Initiative bakwatanise n'aba ministry by'amizi n'obuhangwa bwensi.
Amizaga gahirwa abaturo ku rugomba ka 19 muri Rwenanura ward Rwenanura Kakukuru Town Council mu district ya Ntungamo bwanyuma y'obwire buringwa barukozese byagana. Amizaga gakozerwa ba Nile Basin Initiative bakwatanise na ministry by'amizi hamwe n'obuhangwa bwensi kandi ejenemo hari project nsia eyaba Nile Basin Initiative barumuno bagezese mu mahanga ikumiga Africa agari mu Rwanda, Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Egypt hamwe na Nagandi.
It responds the challenge that affects
$50,000 if you can convert for me would be around 500 million Ugandan shillings. Offering reliable water supply all year round. You know how water can add to the value of this community.
Dr. Abraha Adunya omuhwezo wa mukuru wa Nile Basin Initiative nagira ngo encourage eyibari yo nubagezesa ejenderiro kumara hitsizo bucibura rya mizo mahanga ikumiga Africa kandi obwa hato mu Uganda hari projects ibiri emwe ryo muri Ntungamo kandi ndije rumunegezese bwo mu district ya Buramburi.
During the rainy season there may be abundant waters, while during the dry season communities are experiencing shortage of water. This managed aquifer recharge, which is a new technology that's implemented as a pilot. It has, studied for the last 3 years and now implemented as a pilot in these 5 projects. This is a way to work with nature.
But this is a system that is combining the 2 sources of water, that is surface and groundwater, because no single source that can sustain the water supply that is needed in this community. And this is a new technology, specifically in Uganda.
Ntungamo nemwe ahaza district so mu Uganda ziri kuteganisa bwibura ry'amizi kandi abatura ombyange bimwe batwire no bakozese byagana ubwo abandi bari kutambura ingendo ndingo bari kuronda mizi
tokawo innocent za PDM bazukwire ngogure mpunu ekwiho mbworo umwana karwara ukabura kumutwara umwirwaro. And the main cause of diseases in our society, in our community here, is taking unclean water.
Tubahamiza abantu bakakuru ngora bena endo buzubu no kuzanda amizi. Imahajiro agakwataho mutere nduru.
Government ogwitwakwiza. Kanti kwenda kugira ngo President Museveni 2031 muzakuja ngaje wa mwesimbaho. Amisi tumwagatunga. Amisi mwakorachi?
abatura batungira mizaga borekera amashemererwa
ahabo kuba turestagaine tubentu gihahare mnonga tugataho mbedeba
batwina misi mabi cange eci twabwine cyo kitongore stira misi none bizo twashemererwa abwa handover tukatwasa
izi tubenstaho kuvamo ubudeba umwenjure kigwa ubumwe gasisikara obora gukora imirimo yawe mbeno nemihande mibi umwe banozayo hariho ekitindo obumwe tekateka tumwinyiza kugwamo
ejerikani ya mizhati eri hagati ya shiringi 5 na shiringi 10 muri ntungamo okukira munongo myanya iri kuteganisa bwo mushana ahabwa TV West ndi Elias Rutugusa
Webere Elias Rutugusa abavuzi ba motoka ompaki ya Hoima bariyo betomboita abwe sente z'ukwingana 13 ezibaru kushashura okushohoza motoka yaberma bashabazi abantu bakirangwe sente ezi tizine mbarira kandi ntibaretera obutatunga omurimo gwabo
abavujaba abingi bavugira ompaka ya Hoima kandi bakera kore ko butashemererwa bwabo ubwo bagumize ngo baruhire no kushashura siringe 13 ezitaruho mbarira kandi na packet ine kikozerwaho
usasumira batosasu obuyino omuntu badina muntu wina kusule sente zekijegere baga maintenance kitugirwa mupaka bagama matara kigaru manya kutereza mpaka busiki amani ekirumu kyamani bakusoza sente kwa tumaine sente ezo zigena kakani batugamba town plaka imanyire manya site manya wamanyo hari manyire manya aradisa imanyire ngo ibintu byona sente za government ekitu kwenda kumanya sente za government enekezi manyireho siki amandi kusema kuyambiwa
stage itwa nkabakagadi Hoima bakatwakana kibaine habatu haire hona kukora ngama nti oba mwemere hano niho murakora baratwereze hona kukora itwe butuyija tusesa mu abasabazi nitugenda kandi ati bo kusesa mu abasabazi batakoyo parking okaturuka mu genda bakusanga hero bakuhambya nko musumu
bataka shishamaro akareta polisi okutereza embera
mali munda byeko kukuru omanyi ati wemba bagala kutu invitinga kukubo okujja okwenforcinga ekituufu tugenda kuja basi bwe mubache mwagala wakati bwe mujja kulijo ninga tebuna bakutula n'abakulu bano mbabuziza amabalwa ge maka bawandikira kubanga ebintu muteekeddwa byekwatira keeyo
usanga ni batugamba chairman natugamba ngwe paka tekusemera kuba mu stage ibiri epaka tekusemera kuba mu stage ibiri no gano tunula mapaka gandi for example nka Kampala na mapaka ganda gepeke ebindi oja kurora Kampala halimo stage ya Kiboga halimo stage ya Hoima no yekaguza habwakitu hano Hoima hatakusokubamu stage ibiri ekyo nikijja kitakakaniza
zono tezisobola kola ki tezisobola kutikka tobola bano banzolinga bano bonna bagamba nti bakagadi bebakwata era kambagambe ngumu kubyenda mulayini inyo mugati mujja kubulwa okolera bebasinga n'okutawanya wano Hoima tebayingira mu paaka tebatikira kujja konza abaana besobola okulira bano abakaboya bano abakaboya abo twakatula nabo mu meeting emirundi ngesatu nga tulwanaga tulabe nti kasiteji kabwe kebasaba tukabawadde naye bano abakagadi bonna abawogera bano bebasinga n'okutawanya wano mu Hoima
polisi yashaba abavujaba okukwatanisa n'abebembezi baabo okutereza enshonga ziriyo nizibateganisa omurimo gwabo
mugende mwa chairman mukale nawo ninazo kumugambira hati
kepine yazinga
abaho misate mukale nawo
buli motoko obo ugenda nogaruka ngani osasura buli bwo kutika okusasa buli bwo vuruma mupako kage
twachera chairman wa paka ya Hoima Humphrey Mugisa nuko kutugira ngo bo sente zibarukurundana nibazitwara mu office zo rembo rwa Hoima aba baraganisa okora paka enungi
sente ezo sente za kanso kino kiri kintu kya kanso tukiri kyange nkahamba kanso bakayikara mirundi bakora resolutions bayikiraniza twekiraniza nabo ngwitu tujja kuba nitubayamba mu enforcing collection eye paka
oguhone yagira ngo nabari kureta hemvu yeji tibine za stage mpaka ya Hoima
so tukabaho na challenge ya stage ya Kabuya challenge ngyo ebairemo abana bakuruga kuli Kagadi Mabale Kabuya base bakwenda kwika Hoima basangeho zino ezikutika nazo bongere bayihindukiremo bo bateke mbutekamo abantu bagaruka yo kuri kaboya so twayesanga nikitalibaniza muno kandi nibenda no kufumingaho stage ya kabiri so tutukusobora kutekaho stage ibiri zona zigenda muhanda gumu
gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto
webere Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto Otwire na kurebya makuru Vision Group of Barbara Knight Mbabazi Kaija ahendire omurimo gweho gwarukusibirwa mbutongore wanyuma yo kwereza Vision Group okweza emyaka 3 omukoro gwo kumusibira gubire guri ya kitebe kikuru cha Vision Group muri Kampala kandi gwetabirwe mu habebembezi ba Vision Group ande ngo zitari zumwe na zumwe n'abakozi kandi ogwasimirwe ahabo kuba icyo kureberaho
omukoro gwo kusibura twire nakura makuru ga Vision Group yona Barbara Knight Mbabazi Kaija gubira kitebe kikuru cha Vision Group muri Kampala kandi gwetabirwa mu babembezi ba Vision Group ande ngo zitari zimwe na zimwe n'abakozi kandi ogwasimirwa wabwo kubecho kureberaho agenzi wasinyanga byentebe nikuwade Barbara mazire myaka 3 na rukerezo Vision Group kandi amukoro gwo kumusibura ayakirwe mu kitini saro no mushija we n'abamombanya buzare n'abanyamukago kandi kwasibwe kimura hagato mu kushemererwa Penrop nankunda orukure bya social media mu kitongore cha Vision Group kandi oje kira abakozi bona okugamba Barbara Kaija amusimira abo kwangaho za project zitari zimwe mu kitongore cha Vision Group ezihindura abantu bakatunguka kandi bakahindura metwarize.
Even if it's true that she celebrated ordinary Ugandans doing extraordinary things, and that's the backbone of a lot of our products. She stood by the mantle of Ugandans making a difference, and from there you got teachers making a difference, you got women achievers, you got top 40, under 40, all that to ensure that the stories of innovators and educators and entrepreneurs and community change makers found a national audience. These projects, like everybody has said, even in the documentary, became more than editorial products. They became movements that inspired countless Ugandans to dream bigger and to do more.
Ogwagenziro misho yashoma mu abutuma bwo kusibira Barbara obusindikirwa abakozi bagenzi be kurabira asumu.
Someone used the word impeccable and says she always followed up after one-on-one coaching to ensure you got it right and she did it in a humble and parental way. Someone said Barbara is real, simply put. Once she believes in you, she will help you to achieve whatever she feels you are capable of. She does not beat around the bush when she's disappointed. She means it when she says it. Someone used the word kind, and this is their one experience. An outstanding moment would be when she helped me at one of my lowest moments. She took me to her office, talked to me, and then allowed me to stay in her office until I was feeling better. Her gentleness and kindness on that day stuck with me. I am truly grateful and appreciate her. Thank you, Barbara.
Otwira ryo mwezi wa Barbara Kaija Felix Osike amugambira nko mukazabire nahereza n'amagarage gona kandi ari kwetwazaje no kufa kutunguka kwa kitongore n'abakozi bamo.
And this has been a success, although we are not 100%, but it has been a success. But also, she had her toughest moment, and it was caused by the HR team. That is the aspect of cost cutting and staff reduction, finance and HR. So we saw several talented staff go, leading to a human resource crisis in the newsroom. It was a very painful exercise because I could see from my office, but Barbara had to bite the bullet and take hard decisions. That has made the company stay afloat up to now because we didn't have money to maintain all the guys. So she built a culture of professionalism, trust, high standards, teamwork, continuous learning through women in news. What she championed will surely keep us moving forward.
Felix Osikeho na Simir Babura bwo kwinegeza embozo zirikwetenga kuchondoza kwingi eziyambira kumanya byinje bitari kugenda byo mbuhereza bwe bitongore bitari mwe na mwe bya government hatabiro kurwanagana na government.
Output former Brazilian President Bolsonaro, he said, there is no greater satisfaction than that of having fulfilled a duty. Barbara served above self, as we say in Rotary, and fulfilled the duty by offering outstanding leadership as EIC, and we are here to celebrate that achievement. She clearly understood the business. So your 34 years journalism career has been marked by humility, professionalism, courage, and a vision for the company. Barbara encouraged journalism that directly speaks to the audiences. That is public accountability and development journalism. That's a complete departure from what we used to do in the early years.
Omwezi w'orukura Vision Group Grivazini yanabo akurikize kaija bwo kwendero rugeziro rwo kwereza Vision Group je no kutunga mu cyago abantu kumusima cyurire kandi no kubecho kureberaho kirunja ari aba batwire naye bembera.
Barbara, you are lucky that you get people to say this to you. I was about to quote singer Katumba, but many people here have no idea who Katumba is. So he sang a song about that it's better that people say those good things to you when you arrive and not wait for that moment when you can't hear. Now, even if you don't live in a newsroom, you get to hear so many negative things. Once in a while, I also tune into the social media a bit. And you see, especially the young people, it's like they've given up on the world in many ways. And they seem to lack role models. I want to thank you, Barbara, for making many people believe in humanity, because they will say, but there are people like Barbara. Not all is lost. There are people like Barbara.
Orukura Vision Group Don Innocent Wanyama na wasimire kaija bwo kugiti tafari hangwa kitongore cha Vision Group ekiyashanje cyurukura banamu okutsobwa gisigene yagayaga.
At the luncheon yesterday, Barbara told you that you don't need to wear her shoes. She cancelled, make your own shoes and wear them. I want to agree with Barbara. Yes, create your own shoes and wear them. However, we have certain expectations about your shoes. We expect the soles of your shoes to speak professionalism and integrity. We expect that your shoes will have laces of creativity and industry. It is our prayer that the leather of your shoes will ensure teamwork, accountability, and camaraderie. You assume a critical role at a moment when things journalism look confusing. A moment when we wake up daily to new technology that impacts our craft. A time when competition is not even our fellow publishers.
Hona msimire nkorangana nunje yatwe nakora nawe atine kuterwa nsibona uko koreka ngo ine byinje byamwegireho.
On behalf of the staff and management, I want to congratulate you, Barbara, as you end your tour of duty in the Vision Group. 34 years of distinguished service, 16 of those where you've been at the helm of our editorial operations. You've been our guarantor of our standards, and you've been in charge of setting our editorial agenda. This is no mean feat, Barbara. Congratulations. In 1992, when Barbara joined this company, Uganda was just getting its first private FM radio station. In Makerere University, the mass communication department was just 4 years old, having being created out of the literature department. And the pioneer students of that course had just graduated the year before Barbara joined the Vision Group. And for the Vision Group, we were just a single newspaper at that time, the New Vision.
Barbara kayijja mu kugamba kwasiimira Ruhanga bwo kumbasa okulaba omulimu gwo gubiregura omuhango kandi akamuhendeza gye.
Njagala okwebaza Katonda nti olwaleero maliriza omulimu gwe yantuma ogw'okukungaanya amawulire ku Vision Group. Emyaka gibadde 34 nga 16 mbadde editor in chief oba omukungaanya ow'oku ntikko. Njagala okwebaza Katonda kubanga manyi nti tegabadde maanyi gange, tegabadde magezi gange, era mwebaza nnyo okunsobozesa mulimu munene naye Katonda anjigiriza era ampadde ttiimu nnungi nnyo gye nkoze nayo.
Asiimira barukura Vision Group abahumwire n'abaruhata bwo kumuhwera okukora gye omulimu gwe kandi hona yasiima n'abanyamakuru abamuhwerire okushemeza omulimu gwe.
Njagala okwebaza bakama bange bonna okuva ku Mr. Pike, Mr. James Tumusime, njagala okwebaza Mr. David Sepuya, njagala okwebaza Mr. Bakulumpa Jirwanga, njagala okwebaza Mr. Robert Kabshenga, Mr. Don Wanyama, Mr. Gervase Janabo, ne bakama bange bonna ne besisobodde kwogera mannya abandabiridde mu mulimu guno. Njagala okwebaza bannange benkoze nabo. Mbebaza bonna bemanyi Mwami John Kakande, Felix Osike, Geoffrey Kulubya, mwenna mwemanyi bannange mbebaza. Mwebale nnyo omulimu gwe tukoze. Kathe Mwesigwa, mwenna mbebaza bannange.
Omulingo gw'omutaano asiimira beeka yabwo oguma nawe akakora gye omulimu gwo gwalina obujunaanizibwa obundu nk'omukazi oshirwe kandi ayina abaana.
Njagala okwebaza omwami wange Mwami Patrick Kaija n'abaana bange, mwebale nnyo okutubeererawo kubanga omulimu gw'amawulire mukalubo. Ofuluma ku makya 11 okomawo ku kiro 4, 5, 6 naye bambeereddewo nnyo bansapootinze okusobola okukola omulimu guno. Njagala okwebaza sister wange Faith, muto wange Faith, webale nnyo nnyabo. Webale kubeerawo n'olabirira abaana, n'olabirira amaka, n'olabirira buli kimu kyonna n'ensobola okukola. Njagala kwebaza nnyo nnyabo.
Barbara hona asiimira President.
Wow. Webere Barbara Kaija ntwendeze birungi omundije myoga ey'orukwija kuba nokora ahanyuma yo kuhumura kwawe. Reka tumireho ntugaruka na ganda.
Tandika izuba, emirimo, urugendo, ninga kahumuro, neco kunywa cha chituzi. Yenywere chituzi, ohure matwenge ahamumiro. Nichikurwa kurwa mu chituzi cha shitake. Amajani, hamwe no bwoki, konjoro bunuzi, hamwe no mutindo. Echi, nichikurwa ba chituzi Farm Company Limited. Aveine teknolojia nebyoma, bya mutindo. Chituzi drink, ichirizibwa chitongore cho mutindo muihanga, UNBS. Kandi neshangwa mu maduka na supermarket zono muihanga. Kushubura tere simu noti mushanju munana mushanju bisha twina bitana shatunemwe ninga noti mushanju munana mushanju bisha twitano 00 mwenda.
Fellow Ugandans, your parish development model SACCO belongs to you. Across the country, new elections for PDM SACCO boards are taking place to ensure transparency, accountability, and proper management of community funds. Did you know every eligible member of the parish above 18 years of age has the right to participate in choosing trustworthy leaders for their SACCO? The old boards are being replaced to strengthen governance, protect public resources, and improve service delivery to beneficiaries. After the elections, SACCOs will conduct statutory audits, hold annual general meetings, and account to members on how PDM funds are being utilized. This is your opportunity to shape the future of your community. Please go and register with your SACCO. Do not stay behind. Participate in the elections. Demand accountability. Support transparency. Together, we can build stronger PDM SACCOs and transform households into the money economy. For more information, contact your parish chief, district commercial officer, or local government leaders. This message is brought to you by the Government of Uganda through the Ministry of Local Government and the PDM Secretariat.
Oshemezo mu wife, oshemezo mu husband. Komore tukunywa cyakaboze multivitamin drink. Tutasyo munsi y'amagara marungi. Nichikuyambaho kwigura emisi, kireta amana masyo mubashije hamwe n'abakazi. Nendijo megasho kwata kaboze multivitamin drink. Otuntumura cyubaro na stress. Echo kunywa cyakaboze multivitamin drink. Nichikorwa bakaboze Health Products Limited. Chamibwa UNBS kandi cyuruhombe pimo bya milliliters 120. Omuduka, supermarkets, hamwe n'imotoka z'abakaboze. Okwedorori hanga ryona. Okushubara no kumanyibira kuciraho 0702 15 81
Omara kubagomba ogutebeka nisibwe kwa Swift Initiatives Limited omuchayi kache kambara ufitandika niburu 26 ebyo kwezi kwa mukaga okwisebura 5 ebyo kwezi kwa mushanju omwakogo aha main gate ne 12 zonka no kuleba nyamishwa ne 12 zonka abana b'amashomero aha main gate eshiringira 10 kandi okuleba nyamishwa nazo 10 zonka mungena b'amakorera amahango hamwe n'amace abaza banks telecom companies za companies zikora byo kunywa abahinja abatunyi n'abarisa abari kora ibyo mikono abari kushubura imyenda enkeito abamabara amahotel n'abari kosa za mucomo amashomero n'amatendekero mwene ni mwetwa nije murebe nyamishwa engabia embarasi uruziramire ubunyankogote maya ugonya nenjeya babuniga abana mwarya face painting swimming pool y'abana bouncing castles rero sakasinse y'umurembe egali yo mweka y'abana uri kwenda kubukinga akasimu noti mushanju 2 anana mukaga kinana na mukaga
And that's it for today. Till the next episode.
Like a daily bando. Omuliro nguulira mulingo mutima kukankana like drums. Kalakata, kalakata, enendongo ya kusabula. Mikono free your fire, free your fire, free your fire.
Everything could be end.
Yakweha utamuha umudu nokora ekikire wanywa mpenkoni noshumurira kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinge noenda kuchamuka mpenkoni
igenda yakini cyo kunywa chonka
mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe
sinza kutambura ngasinywede ku mpenkoni ukakasi kwata nawe nywako
tunga icupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga iyo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkoni wakinkorire.
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola? When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga? Sisumagire Joshua. Honey, mwana muwe. Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Mayanja Memorial Medical Training Institute abari kushangwa mu Rembo Mbarra nibamanyisa abantu mwena ngo kushaba imyanya ahabo bwegese bubushaho aharengurwa diploma na certificate ni kugenda misho ahabo July intake course za certificate nezi eyo buzarisa jete midwifery eyo bunurse jete nursing eyo kucebereshagama jete medical laboratory techniques okushoma courses notekwa kuba oshire chemistry biology physics okubara n'urungereza rero nibashomesa na diploma zezi clinical medicine and community health emyaka 3 eyo kucebereshagama jete medical laboratory technology emyaka 3 okweyongera abunasi ninga buzarisa jete nursing o midwifery extension o mahagomene chweka leto kushaba kwawe ahishomero Mayanja Memorial Medical Training Institute kandi kumayibukiraho teresimezi Airtel not even not note mwenda 23 ina mukaga munana na MTN not 3 mwenda 3 emwe mwenda ina ina ishatu emwe. Mayanja Memorial Training Institute, empowering to serve.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700-670-691.
I'm called Awidi Isabella. I'm studying from Villa Maria School of Nursing. I've won a school fees with the MTN Momo. This school fees you win for a full year, which I'm very happy for it. I thank MTN Momo for helping me in paying my school fees.
We've paid all the fees for the year.
Thank you very much, because on Wednesday, the principal told me, look for my man and bring my man. I told her, me, I don't have man, and you have to wait until I get the money. But when I left our office, at 3, they called me that you've won the money from Momo. I said, how does it happen?
As long as you pay school fees using Momo, you stand a chance to win school fees for a year. Dial *165 *80# to win school fees for a year and more.
Tandika izuba ryawe na ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up Fluoride Toothpaste ogira akasheko izuba ryona ombazwa amaino ogwatongozibwe ha mutindo gwensi yona kandi gukahangura omudali gwa People's Choice and East Africa Award nigukuma kahoko mukanwa karungi gweza amaino kwita ekikoko ky'omumaino kandi gukazibera okurwara kozesa ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up omubirengo bitari bimwe na bimwe ebirimu white gel, herbal mint gel hamwe na red gel buli ka box ka ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up no shanga mu brush ya meno eyabsha gushanje